Let's take a look at some more polynomial long division. This is number 11 on this worksheet. We want to take a look at a special case that happens here. So we have p cubed plus 6p squared plus 11p plus 16. This is our dividend, so it goes inside here. We take our divisor as p plus 1, we put it on the outside. We are going to see how many times p plus 1 goes into p cubed plus 6p squared. Basically, we're going to see what multiplies by p to give us p cubed. So there are no numbers in front, so we just take p squared times p to get p cubed. All right, so you will notice I put the p squared in the same location like the place value of the 6p squared. P squared above p squared. Makes sense. Now, we're going to take p squared times 1 as well because we have to distribute it to both parts of the divisor. I'm going to erase that and try that part again there. P cubed. Okay, p squared times 1 is plus p squared. All right, at this point, we are going to subtract. When we subtract, we change both term signs. We end up canceling out the p cubes. We end up with 6p squared minus p squared. We get 5p squared. We are going to bring down this 11p. We are adding 11p here. We are going to take p plus 1. P plus 1 and see how many times p goes into 5p squared. So we take 5p and we multiply by plus 5p up here. So we're going to distribute the 5p into the p plus 1. So 5p times p is 5p squared, and then we have a plus 5p. At this point, we switch our signs again. So now we're subtracting the 5p squared and the 5p, and we end up with a 6p left over, and we're bringing down a 16. And it's positive, so we are adding 6p plus 16. Okay. At this point, we are going to see what multiplies by p to give us 6p. Well, that happens to be 6. So we're going to add a 6 up here. We take 6 times p plus 1. We get 6p plus 6. I am going to take my work here, move it over to the side. We have, rewriting what we have here, 6p plus 16 over 6p plus 6, but we are subtracting the 6p plus 6, so we're going to change those to negatives and subtract them. 6p minus 6p is 0. 16 minus 6 is 10. What you will notice is now there is no other number that we can bring down. So we have actually gotten our entire piece of information that we can get. So we still have a remainder of 10. When we have this remainder, we are going to take it, and we are just going to add it right to the end and divide it by the divisor. So I'm going to rewrite my quotient, p squared plus 5p plus 6. And I'm going to add 10 divided by p plus 1. Alright, I take my remainder and I divide it by the divisor. Now I'm done. Excellent work. Have a great day.